stories, but never tells of all her haunted adventures. Because the big bad wolf has whispered in her ear that no one else must know what happens here, and she must never ever breathe a single word, or you blow down her fairy tale world. Now safely in her mother's arms, her tears are like diamonds that roll down her cheeks. She's afraid and she's ashamed, but the spell is so strong that she just cannot speak. The big bad wolf has whispered in her ear that no one else must know what happens here, and she must never ever breathe a single word, or you blow down her fairy tale world. Grey eyes, and the big bad wolf will never find her here, or fill her small hearts up with fear, and she will never ever breathe a single